Hey there, today I will show you how to block YouTube channels. So, if you're tired of seeing certain YouTube channels pop up in your feed, here's the lowdown on blocking them. First off, make sure you're logged in into your YouTube app. We gotta be in the right place, right? Now, head over to the channel that's been bothering you. Check if you've accidentally subscribed. If you have, hit that unsubscribe button. We're cutting ties. Once you've unsubscribed, go back to the video. See those three dots in the bottom right corner? Tap on them and voila, a bunch of options will pop up. Now, here's the magic move. Select Don't Recommend Channel. Boom, you've just blocked that channel. No more of their videos cluttering your feed, and you won't have to put up with any of their activities either. And that's it, you're in control. If this little tip was a game changer for you, give us some love by hitting like, sharing, and hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.